Sydney Weather Australia. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the weather in Sydney, Australia, while practicing some useful English vocabulary and phrases. Let's get started. Introduction to Sydney's climate. Sydney is a big city in Australia and it has a nice climate. The weather is usually warm, but it can be cool in the winter. Sydney has 4 seasons: summer, autumn, winter, and spring. Summer weather runs from December to February. Let's learn some English vocabulary related to the weather. Can you repeat after me? Sunny, sunny, cloudy, cloudy, rainy, rainy, windy, windy. In the summer, Sydney is very hot. The temperature can go up to 30 degrees Celsius. People like to go to the beach and swim in the summer. Let's practice some English phrases. It's hot today. I'm going to the beach. Don't forget your sunscreen. Next, we have autumn. Autumn, the weather, runs from March to May. In the autumn, the weather starts to get cooler. The temperature is around 15–20 degrees Celsius. It's a great time to go outside and enjoy the beautiful autumn leaves. Let's learn some more English vocabulary. Autumn. Leaves. Cozy. Just like every other country, Australia also experiences winter weather, which runs from June to August. In the winter, Sydney can be quite cool. The temperature can go down to 10 degrees Celsius. People like to stay inside and keep warm during the winter. Let's practice some English phrases. It's cold today. I'm going to stay inside. Let's have a cup of hot chocolate. Finally, we have spring weather runs from September to November. In the spring, the weather starts to get warmer again. The temperature is around 15–20 degrees Celsius. It's a great time to go outside and enjoy the beautiful spring flowers. Let's review some of the English vocabulary and phrases we learned today. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy. It's hot today. I'm going to the beach. Don't forget your sunscreen. autumn, leaves, cozy. It's cold today. I'm going to stay inside. Let's have a cup of hot chocolate. Thank you for watching this video about the weather in Sydney, Australia. We hope you learned some new vocabulary and facts about Sydney's climate. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Happy learning. Goodbye.